Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your cellular data is active and your plan permits tethering because carrier blocks are the most common cause. Once done, update to the latest iOS and restart the iPhone to clear temporary faults. Now go to Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, enable Allow Others to Join, and create a strong WPA2 password. You're already in motion. This eliminates basic software and permission issues before deeper troubleshooting. Next, you dig into connections. Verify cellular data options and the APN values your carrier requires, because incorrect APN blocks hotspot authorization. Try connecting the client device via Wi-Fi, then via Bluetooth, and finally via USB. USB often bypasses wireless handshakes and proves if the phone is serving an IP. If devices won't obtain an IP or stall, reset network settings to clear saved profiles and DHCP leases. To finish, confirm the client device receives an IP and can load a web page. Run a quick speed test to validate throughput. If it still fails, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and re-enable cellular, then turn Personal Hotspot back on. This forces fresh network registration. Make sure to try USB tethering as a definitive check. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm hotspot provisioning or, as a last resort, restore the iPhone from a backup to remove stubborn software corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.